How to connect AirPods 4 to any Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your AirPods 4 in Bluetooth pairing mode so that then you can connect them to your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we're going to put our AirPods 4 in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, we want to make sure that they have a charge and that the AirPods are in the case. Open the case and then double tap the light on the front. Once you do that, you'll see the white light start blinking. And from there, we just need to open up the settings on our Samsung phone, and we can do that by swiping up from the bottom and then selecting settings. From there, select connections. And then at the top, you'll find Bluetooth, select Bluetooth, give it a second to scan, and you'll see AirPods come up. If you don't see them, make sure that the AirPods are still in Bluetooth pairing mode and that they have not connected to another device. Go ahead and select the AirPods and then confirm you do want to pair with them. And then once it says connected, the light on your AirPods should turn green, then turn off, and you can now use these AirPods 4 with your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.